Hello, this is the NADC Hydrant app Build User Guide. In this video guide, we will be walking through how to download the app and log in, how to search through the NADC Hydrant database, locate hydrants and record extraction digitally, report faulty hydrants, and use the email support button. You can download the app on both Apple and Android, and the app is called EVI 3.0. You will then be sent the user information document to enter your email and user types. All users will then receive an activation email where you can click on the link and then enter your password. Once you've created the password, you can log in on the app using the client ID NADC, your email and your password. Now going into the home page once you've logged in. On the home page, you've got the shared folder where all your hydrants sit, your download queue and you can download more hydrants, your upload queue to show any extractions uploaded, and new hydrant capture. Now going on to downloading the hydrant assets you need. The download queue can be found on the home page of the app. The download queue is split up in folders for each water company with the exception of Thames Water due to the amount of hydrant assets in each area. In this case, the Thames has been split up into regions, as you can see by the postcode areas. To download a hydrant, you simply have to press the folder icon and then press the download icon, and this will download the hydrants into the shared folder, as you can see. Just to give you another example here, we're going to download a larger batch of hydrants from a Thames regional location. You can press it there again, and as you can see, it starts to populate the shared folder. Once downloaded, it does not need to be done again, and hydrants also can be searched while offline in the shared folder. When downloading hydrant, it is recommended to be done with Wi-Fi, but it can be done with internet connection on the road. If your device is low on memory, you can easily delete hydrants in the download queue by pressing the bin icon. Now searching for hydrants: 1. Nearest to user's live location, and 2. Nearest to a specific location. The two ways you can do this is either using the search bar to search via postcode or via an address. You can then use the map view at the top right corner. This allows you to view all of the assets within your search filters on the map view to see which ones would be more suitable for an extraction. Or, if you would like to find the hydrants that are nearest to you at that given moment, you can use the filter by button at the top right next to the map icon to search for the nearest hydrants to you at that given moment. Now going on to completing and recording an extraction. So when on the hydrant asset, again, you can use the map icon and you can view the asset on the map to ensure that it is a good extraction location for you. And then you can use the map navigation button. This will input the location of that hydrant into your native navigation system. Then create and record an extraction. You would then click Create Extraction, press Continue to give it its unique extraction ID. You would then take a photo of the surrounding areas and standpipe reading. You would then enter all of the basic information, including a standpipe used, serial number, and hydrant condition, and enter the pre-meter reading. At this point, it is always good to make sure that the photos match the pre-meter reading input. It is at this point where you complete the extraction. Once you've completed the extraction, you can then go back to the form and check all the details are entered correctly, including the pre and post meter reading. You can then click Edit Photo and take a picture or add a picture of the post meter reading, making sure all the dials are clear on the photos, and then checking that this is the same on the form. You can then click Get My Location and then Continue. It will then take you to the map view where you can check that you are in the right location. This is where you click Save. And then you can view this in the upload queue. And you can see all the attachments and the extraction data is uploaded. Now looking at new hydrant captures. Now this is accessible in the main home page, and it is identical to the process of creating a regular extraction, except in this case you would select the water company. Once this is done, this will be taken to the NADC where they can approve this new hydrant and it will be added to the database. Moving on to how to report a faulty hydrant, add a comment or flag for attention. Now all of these sit in the activities section in the hydrant asset, and you can click flag for attention. This will be raised and can be seen by your managers in the NADC. Similarly, if you add a comment, this can be seen by your managers. But if you feel a hydrant is faulty and urgently needs to be reported, then you can go into the hydrant details, add form, add faulty hydrant form, complete the date and type of issue, and add any supporting pictures. This will then be immediately handed over to the NADC for review, and the hydrant asset can be removed if required. Finally, the email support feature. This can be found on the home page in the side tab. Selecting this will allow you to immediately send an email to the ticket support system within every file. Thank you for your time.